Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the Honor MagicBook Pro 16, a laptop that's making waves in the market. We'll explore its design, performance, features, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So, let's get right into it. The Honor MagicBook Pro 16 aims to compete with heavyweights like the MacBook Pro, boasting a sleek design and powerful internals. Let's start with the build and design. The MagicBook Pro 16 sports a modern, minimalist design with a white finish that looks stylish out of the box. However, it's prone to staining, which might bother cleanliness enthusiasts. The chassis feels sturdy despite being plastic, with clean lines and a professional aesthetic. Moving on to the display, it features a stunning 16-inch 3K IPS LCD panel with a 165Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, making it great for both creative work and gaming. The 500 nits of brightness ensure visibility even in bright environments. Audio-wise, Honor has equipped this laptop with a spatial audio system comprising 6 speakers and a subwoofer. While not truly offering surround sound, the speakers provide rich, detailed audio with good highs and mids, though bass could be a bit punchier. Under the hood, the MagicBook Pro 16 packs serious firepower. It's powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and an RTX 4060 GPU, coupled with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a speedy 1TB SSD. This setup handles demanding tasks like video editing and AAA gaming admirably, thanks to its high TDP and efficient cooling system. Ergonomically, Honor has nailed it with a spacious keyboard offering 1.5mm key travel. Typing feels responsive and comfortable, ideal for long work sessions. The touchpad is large and responsive, though lacking haptic feedback found in some competitors. Now, onto 2 areas where the MagicBook Pro 16 falls short: battery life and the webcam. Despite its large 75 Wh battery, the laptop struggles to last a full workday under heavy use, a trade-off for its powerful performance. The 1080p webcam produces average quality, lacking sharpness and struggling in low-light conditions. In conclusion, the Honor MagicBook Pro 16 is a strong contender in the high-performance laptop segment. Offering great value for creative professionals and gamers alike, it excels in display quality, performance, and audio experience. Though compromises on battery life and webcam quality might be significant for some users. That wraps up our review of the Honor MagicBook Pro 16. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on this laptop or if there are other products you'd like us to cover. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.